Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. We're back once again. It's Thursday, February 5th. Crazy to say that. We're going to try making some money today, like usual. Base hits keeps the bills away at the end of the day. So we're going to try hitting some base hits today. No pushing, no rushing, just keeping it simple. Keeping it simple. We had news this morning at 8:30. News at 8:30. We're going to be having news at 10 o'clock as well for the job openings. So we'll see what that does to the market, everything like that. But we're here for it. Do not do anything too crazy today, folks. It's Thursday. We got one more day after today's trading session to make some more money this week. So I'm just going base hits. Like I need like less than $2,000 in between two accounts to take two payouts tomorrow. So we're going to see what we get. Good morning, Smooth. Smooth, base hits, bro. Base hits. Don't be pushing it too hard. Good morning, Is. What's up, weekend? How was your trip? The trip to Canada was great. I'm actually mentally preparing for Mexico in less than a week from Sunday. I'll be in Mexico and then San Antonio. Good morning. Good morning, Cash Money. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Steve.
What's happening?
Another day in paradise.
Morning. I'm always away from the mic.
Let me get my lines for my doodles because I'm gonna be a doodling mad machine today. Because I want to keep it safer today. Been doing pretty well this week. For me personally, for my trading performance, I just want to clean up. The past 2 days I had like one bad trade on just one of my fundeds. I'm trying to clean that up today, where it's just green across the board. So, but that's still not bad odds. One bad trade at 5 funded accounts. That ain't bad. Let's see where we're sitting at. Let me look at my trading view. All right, so right now we are currently below a pivot point. Pivot's at 761.75, 761.75. What's this going on? No, all right.
Mine says 62.25.
Okay, 761.75 in that area. In that area, around 761, 762, we got a pivot point. My 21 EMA is sitting at 780.75, 780.75. Then the VWAP, yes, the VWAP is up there at 950. Well, 949.25 to be exact. Close from yesterday, 25,116.25. 25,116.25. So that's what we currently got. We're currently below this pivot point. I'm glad I just remembered that.
2.25.
I need to put my lines on this chart over here just so I can see where like the overnight lows, highs, where all that good stuff was at.
We had news at 8:30 and we're having news at 10, right?
Yep. We got news at 10 o'clock for the JOLTS job openings. So that should move the markets a little bit. But this week, the market's been coming down. So since we're back in the 24,000s, I want to see if we keep on coming down. Because on the 5 minute, that looks like a bear flag. A big old 5 minute bear flag. I'll draw here in a second. I'm just trying to get this chart all set up. It has been a bearish week, which I don't mind because we make money in either direction. So that's what I'm looking for right now. Like if we lose and get below these wicks right here, it's going to keep on waterfalling. That's what my eyes are telling me. Your eyes may say something different, but my eyes are saying that's what it's going to try doing. And we're coming up to 925 here. So I want to see what happens between 925 and 929, because that's normally what I've noticed, that it's kind of like a precursor of what's going to happen right at market open.
Interesting.
So
Wait,
we
you've been extrapolating that from the chart.
Are your accounts good?
I say you something.
Okay.
TraderVice changes policy. So if you have if you have like one account on TraderVice and it goes tilt, they immediately scrub you off of everything. Like they don't keep you for the data.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah, so it's just they're charging double and they're giving less and less. So it's kind of but I did find my other account, so I'm getting data through that. So it's like I'd rather just have a Ninja Trader. I
Yeah.
just if you have you can put in like any amount, you know what I mean, if you're over margin and just hold that money, you got the data. So that's what I'm doing. Fuck, I
Okay.
mean, Tradeify, not my friend, but I don't care. I'd rather just have my money anyway.
No, 100%.
Daddy increase, baby. Daddy increase.
Daddy increase. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm just ready to make some money with y'all today. Last night's session, well, not last night's session, last night's stream for the Traders Hangout, I was watching the charts. I'm like, man, I'm ready for the morning so we could try making some more money.
In the morning.
Good
So
morning, DL.
you were saying the 5 minutes prior is kind of, if it shows a clear direction, that's been kind of playing through and open.
Yeah. So then from 925 till 929, I would say, you always want to see what the market's trying to do in that time frame.
You never said that before, so I'm just listening to you. Teach me, Rabbi.
It's just something that I've noticed lately. You know what I'm saying? It's just something I've been noticing over the past like 6-7 months now. Where
Rabbi in the meaning of teacher, of course.
Good morning, Dylan. Good morning, Alan. Hopefully you guys are doing good this morning. Hopefully everyone on the streams are doing great this morning. We got a nice gloomy day in Florida today, so
it's amazing, isn't it? It's kind of like New England weather or something.
Yeah, I hate the weather up there. Whenever I'm in Boston, it's always so gloomy and dark. I'm like, ugh, give me back to the sun.
If I had to live out there for a job, I'd have to have a place that has like a basement, like room that's like set up with all the stuff, and like you don't have to go outside. So.
Yeah. All right, we got less than 2 minutes now. Less than 2 minutes for market open here. We do have news at 10 o'clock. Jolt's job openings. So I probably won't be in trade at 9:58, and then after a little bit after 10. So we'll see what we get. Alan, you're from Boston. What part? Good morning, Hamid. I'm from Longwood. All right, Steve. From Lynn? Okay. My girl, she's from Boston, Medford, and then my uncle lives up there as well, and he's right there in downtown Boston. All right, less than a minute now, boys. Less than a minute.
I need to see your hand because you're itchy. Your trigger finger looks itchy.
My hands are up. My hands are up. I'm not
It was
jumping
like
until 9:45.
it was in the on the camera. It was like moving off camera, like into the zone. So now that's acceptable. Like I let see your hand.
Yeah, hands are up till 9:45. Till 9:45, I ain't clicking the button. I'll
Is it
doodle.
moving?
I will
Is it moving?
doodle. But I am not executing trades till 9:45. Yeah, man, let's link. There we go. Market's officially open. Let's see if we break for this big bear flag that the 5 minutes been printing. Building a lot of structure on it. Tap my yellow line. There we go. Let's see if we get more follow through. There's the follow through. There's the overnight low we just took out. What's up, Ule? Good morning, sir. Bulls trying to step in here. Bulls are trying to step in. Good morning, Brett. How was your night last night, bro? Yeah, Bulls are trying to hold this price up right now. But the Bears, they want it lower. But the Bulls are doing a good job holding it right now. All right, we're back above the yellow line. This is why I'm waiting until 9:45. Let the volatility settle down a little bit.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mooser.
How you doing?
We doing good, sir. We doing good.
Morning.
There we go. Bears
Hey,
finally
G,
trying to push some more.
Were you getting a haircut with Joel the other day?
Yeah.
I think he put you up on one of his stories.
Oh yeah. Okay.
The one
Yeah,
that
I
was
saw
like,
it.
he's like, oh, that's G.
Big T is in the house.
I
And on the
know.
wall.
I know that guy right there.
I know that guy.
I told a Big G story once.
What did you say? What was the story?
But he's kicking ass, man. Like he's like,
Good.
my calculator committed suicide at his latest game. It's like every day is like throw another bag on the fire. Like, come on, baby.
Awesome.
No, I don't like this market right now. It consolidated for the 15 minutes ever since 7:45. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, we were building a big old flag, but the Bulls are trying to step in and hold this flag up.
Yeah, look at that wick on the 5 minutes.
Yep. Crazy. Crazy right now.
Let me try something new over here.
Moose, don't be trying new things right now, fam. Unless you're using a sim account.
No, I'm not gonna try it. Like, I'm not gonna jump in. I'm gonna just watch it. See if it's what I wanted to do.
He's not gonna jump in, but he's gonna take a trade. See, there's a difference.
No. I'm actually gonna behave because it's consolidating too much, so it's not gonna go my way. I know it's not. Like, I want it to come down.
All right, we tapped that pivot point. We did tap that pivot. Let's see if we do a full rejection off of it. Let's see if that settles the Bulls down a little bit. Rejecting off that pivot. We're back below the yellow line. We're trying to print another small bear flag on the 2 minute right now as well. But we just went more than 50% of the the pull of the flag, so I'm not too happy about that. So I would not be looking for a short right now. And these bulls trying to flip this candle on the 5. They're trying. They're trying. Good time just to sit on your hands, boys. Just wait.
Yeah, it working, man.
All right, bulls flip that candle.
Okay, so the other day, like, because it was cold, I washed my hair and I put like my wife's like towel on it, so and I'm in the house, and then I saw there was like a message that there was something to pick up in the community, and I forgot I had that towel, so I ran out, driving a police interceptor, and it looked like I had this big ass fucking like do rag looking thing on, and then I like get back in the house and I realized people were tripping, I'm sure.
Close from yesterday. Close from yesterday was 116.25. We got the VWAP above us as well. VWAP's currently sitting right around the 909 level, 75. So, just giving you the updates, giving you all the updates.
I gave you the update. That was pretty hilarious, man.
That you did, bro. That you did.
Is this a flag on the 2?
No. That would not be a flag on the 2 currently.
Yeah, you're right. I just looked it up.
But now, since we have the new candle that just printed, let's see if we get some structure for a potential bull flag. Hopefully we're not going sideways for the session.
We don't want that.
Yeah, we don't want sideways action. We don't want sideways action. But the way it's like chopping right now, that's the only thing. Like, well, yeah, we're moving, but it's a choppy movement. It's not clean movement.
I'm loving it because I basically, using this hack, you could put like $50 into like a Ninja Trader broker account. You're gonna get the data.
Yeah.
And if you don't spend the account, you're basically, you don't spend it. So that's a big hack to have that data.
Hey, I was gonna ask that, right? So I had to finish doing my Ninja Trader thing, right?
Yeah.
I can only use the wrinkles on it if I have an active account, right? Like you know what I'm saying?
Well, like I have a brokerage account with them now, and like it opened everything back up to me, so I have full functionality.
Okay.
So, but like if you're doing it through a prop firm, you should be able to get it there. But like Tradeify is, I mean, just my business sense about being around a long time. They're having some issues, man. So they're trying to like raise money and then take away benefits.
Yeah.
So I'd rather just have my account and run off my account, so I'm not worried about some prop firm changing their things. Not that prop firms are bad, but I trust myself more than them, I guess.
No, 100%.
For sure. But
I'll raise prices on myself when I make more money. See, that's how it works.
What I want to know is, if I have let's say a sim account, right?
Yeah.
And I go to use Ninja Trader, I won't be able to use their wrinkle bars, right?
You'll be able to use the Rinkos, but you'll be able to use the Rinkos on like a sim account just with Ninja. But the only thing is, you won't have the live data feed.
So in order to have the live data feed, I have to fund the accounts.
You would need to get like a prop firm, like Tradeify, Lucid, whoever, and then connect it for the live data.
Or do what I'm doing now and just, just throw money into a brokerage account if you're not trading it, and then basically for the price of lost interest, you have all that stuff. So
I get what you said. And how much would I, for it to be considered like an account, right? And how much I gotta put in? Like 100, 200?
Yeah, I mean, in that range, you'll definitely get all the benefits.
Okay, because I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna trade on it. I just want it for the Rincos. And
Yeah.
if I don't, if I, the way I thought about it earlier was, if I go into, let's say, a TraderFi, right? They're gonna
Mhm.
charge you monthly for
Yeah,
having that
yeah.
account. So I might as
If
well
you
just
don't
put it
pass
into
it,
Ninja
yes.
Trader, put it into Ninja Trader, a one-time fee, and they're not gonna recharge me because they assume I'm gonna keep using the account.
Yeah, I mean, that's, you know, as far as I can tell, I mean, I just did it and it brought me back on, and I'm going to be trading that account, but if you have like $100 in, you can trade like MES, you know, I mean, you can get into, that margin's like 50, so you can always
Okay.
play with it a little bit too. And then,
Yeah.
you know, it's just, so,
Chris, yes, they automatically charge your card each month if you don't like pass the account. So what I always recommend people to do when you get your eval, you go into your billing and you turn off the subscription. So that way you don't get billed again for it. Because trust me, I've had some times where
oh, we all have.
I've woken up. I'm like, oh look, 4 accounts. Great.
The only reason I was keeping that one account is it's the old style.
Yeah.
So, you know, they want to shake it loose because it's like cheap, but so that's I'll keep that for this time, and if it goes away, it goes away. Because it's like I don't care.
Yeah. That is correct with Lucid Smooth. Once you pay for your eval, there's no subscription.
Gotcha. We went up to the VWAP now.
Yep.
Up to the VWAP.
Good morning, Rhonda. Almost there. I got less than 4 minutes, and I'll be officially cleared to trade. I'm holding. I'm waiting.
He's waiting. He's anticipating.
I'm trying here. Want to see a nice little flaggy flag, something good for us. I need some more money before I go to Mexico, so I can spend some pesos. I'll spend some pesos.
He wants to put some pesos in his pocket.
Yeah, it's crazy. Me and Brenda, we were talking last night. We're gonna start packing like today, so that way we don't have to think about packing next week. Bags are.
If we have like a big camping trip that's like multi days, we do that same thing because you do a little bit and then you check it, and then that way you make sure like, did you bring that? You know, it's like that way you don't miss anything.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Luckily. No, go ahead.
But like you know, with us, we're kind of going out in the wilderness. With you, if you're at a resort, you're not as hurting. You can just go buy shit.
Yeah. Well, luckily for us, we've been there now multiple times. So we already told each other, like, we honestly don't need to pack half the stuff we packed the last 2 trips out there. Because we never even wore it. You know what I'm saying? Like, so we were planning, and I'm a heavy packer as is. Yeah, I already told myself this time I'm going to go light, you know, because...
Yeah, because you're bringing stuff out, and it's like you're not going to be changing your clothes that much, and you just have to truck it all over the place.
You know, it's literally mainly bathing suits. That's all you're wearing out there are bathing suits. Even at the parks, you're in a bathing suit because there's water activities at every park.
Yeah. So it's not like you're going to be wearing like a linen suit and then change it.
You have no linen suits. Not this time, at least. Maybe in September or November, I'll wear a linen suit out there, but not this time. All right, I got 1 more minute here. 1 more minute to be fully cleared to trade. Well, actually, I'll say 2 minutes, but
2 minutes. That's the Duane I know.
I'm just ready to execute. That's it. Like a trained sniper waiting for his mark. We're sitting right. We almost made a new high for this 15-minute range. We did not. Let's see if the bulls do it. They haven't made a new high yet for this 15-minute range. There we go. New high right there. So as it sits, the high so far for the 15-minute range is 935.75. The low of this 15-minute range, 652. 652 is the low. The high is 930. Whatever I just said.
934.
935.75.
935.75.
We're sitting right here on the VWAP as well. So let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get here. There's 945. We got news at 10 today, so let's see what the market wants to do until 10. Right now, I'm not really too excited about the price action currently, but we're going to see if we could get something today. All right, coming up. What's up, Craw? All right, there we go. There's 946. I'm fully cleared to trade now. We're currently above the VWAP. Choppity chop chop right now.
Oh my god.
Choppity chop chop.
Yo, you saw that?
I think we all saw that. That's why I'm saying I'm not like overly eager right now with this price action.
I should go cook breakfast. Before I
Hey.
get cooked, yeah.
Before I get cooked, Jesus.
Alexa, cook breakfast.
Yeah. Stop. Alexa, off.
Alexa off. Alexa, what time is it?
Master.
Well, that's one way to introduce yourself. I'll handle the heavy lifting of actually remembering where you put your keys.
Your keys. See, like, that's what it has me where I have my Siri and stuff turned off because I don't like that it's always listening.
Yo,
Yeah.
oh, please, bro. I forgot what I asked it for the other day, right? And I asked my son. His mind, granted, I guess it got mixed up because my son's name is also Alex, right?
Yeah.
And then she went and gave me a whole explanation. I'm like, what the hell is going on, bro? Yeah, they listen for everything, man.
Yeah, I don't like that. Don't like that. Okay, Alan, nice, bro. I'm just waiting for some type of decent movement. Right now, we're just chopping. There was a bull flag that just printed on the 2-minute. Another one right here, but I'm not very... I don't know. We're chopping right now, so I'm not trying to get chopped. Right now, these candles are real tight too, so we're consolidating. Yeah, I'm not too thrilled about that either. But stay safe in the markets, folks, because that's all we can try to do. Yep, no choppy chop, Alan. Not today. I've gotten chopped up plenty of times where I don't want to get chopped today. Having a decent week so far. And I'm trying to keep it that way. Come on, Betsy. Come on. Up or down? No clue, Steve.
I think we're gonna go up to 224 if we go up. All 24.
I just want to get away from this VWAP in the high of this 15-minute range. So if we keep pushing up, all for it. If we push down, all for it. I just want to get away from just this extraness right here.
This might actually drop. 42. Yeah, it'll drop.
We did a slight breakout of the range, but nothing significant. It's like one tick out of the range and then right back in. So as soon as I said that, there we go. Breaking out the 15-minute range. Alrighty. First target that I have to the upside is sitting up there at 25,078. 25,078. We got 10 minutes for news, so I got 8 minutes to find a trade if I'm trying to trade before 10. And then chopping. No, I'm not touching this right now. The market's caca right now. All right, back out of the 15, but this thing's chopping right now. Just chopping. Went through the VWAP as well. Okay. Oh, boys. Boy, oh boy. I may need to go cook me some breakfast.
This is terrible.
There's the VWAP tab.
Hey Dwayne, do you have desktop speakers or you have the speakers from your computer?
Just from my computer.
Okay, I'm looking for some desktop speakers, but I don't know. I haven't found anything because I'm not gonna. Obviously, I don't need professional sound. I just need something that works.
Yeah. Check Amazon, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna check. But
Listen.
I
No,
hate
go
buying
ahead.
things, right? And I know it sounds crazy, right? But I buy them, test them out, and I'm like, this is whack. Let me return them. I hate doing that because it's a waste of time.
Yeah.
I rather ask people if they have certain ones, and then they like them.
Like, I'm a big component of ordering off Amazon because you get so much more bang for your buck on Amazon. Because like I literally want like my body wash in the store, it's normally like 10-15 bucks for my body wash, right? Nothing crazy. And last time I was in the store, I'm like, you know what? Let me scan it and look it up on Amazon. Bro, for the same price that you pay in the store, you could get double on Amazon.
Oh, shoot.
So I'm like, I'm no longer buying my body wash in store. I'm only buying off Amazon because you get twice as much for the same amount of money.
Yeah, that makes sense. And just order in advance so you run out of it.
You know what I'm saying? Nope. Mute this place. All right, ended. Wow.
Dwayne,
Yeah,
on the Lucid, do you do the Lucid Flex or the Lucid Black?
I do the Lucid Flex.
Okay.
So right now we're below the VWAP. The 2 minute looked like it was trying to form a little bear flag, but it's just dropping down, trying to drop to this 21 EMA. Yeah, I'm probably just holding until after 10 at this point. Let this market figure out what it actually wants to do. And that's dirty. Yeah, that is dirty right there.
Dirty, dirty, baby.
Be careful, folks. Be careful. This market is absolutely just chopping.
Chopping, dropping.
Hopefully it gives us some type of decent moves to jump in on, because the way it's moving right now, I'm not a fan.
I'm not a fan of the master plan.
Coming down to the middle of the 15-minute range.
Hey, there's something we don't do here. I forgot.
We don't diddle in the middle. We don't diddle in the middle. Alan, I'm good with pumps or dumps, you know what I'm saying? But I just want it to be consistent. You know what I'm saying? I need consistency in the market. All right, we just went through the middle of the 15-minute range right there. Everyone full port? Absolutely not, Wave. We ain't full porting, bro. Not today.
Let's go.
You're trading and that you can make money going long or going short, right?
Right now we're sitting. We tapped the middle of the 15-minute range there. Let's see what we get. We got news in 3 minutes. 3 minutes right now.
Dwayne's gonna wait this one out because he doesn't want the news to drop early unless there's an A++ setup.
Yeah, I'm waiting until after 10 at this point. This market has not been moving clean enough for me.
I know that's the truth when you touch your glasses on both sides.
Yeah, but I'm holding the glasses on both sides. I'm like, what is going on? You know what I'm saying?
And, like, the only caveat to that is, like, if you're skydiving and you don't want them to fall off your face. But if you're sitting at your desk, hold your glasses at both sides, you're like, I am not taking a trade.
Just watch my Rincos and the way they're moving. I'm just like, come on, market, give us something.
Anything.
Less than 2 minutes now. Less than 2 minutes for news to come out here. We're sitting right at the middle of the 15-minute range. We do have a pivot point below us. We do have a pivot below us, 761.75 area. We have a pivot point down there, so just waiting. The closer we keep coming to it, the more likely we're going to touch it because it's acting as a magnet. And there's the pivot touch. News is coming out in less than a minute. Less than a minute. We got about less than 40 seconds now for the news here. Here comes the news. 5 seconds. 5 seconds on the news now. There's the news. All right, we just lost that pivot there. This thing's dancing. These Rincos dancing today. Dancing up, dancing down, dancing in the middle.
Did somebody's trader rate kick you out?
Not yet.
No, not yet.
I hope it don't kick me out.
It happened
Let's-
to me again yesterday, man. I was on and kicked you in the middle, kicked you out in the middle of the thing. Okay, I'm back on.
At this point, I would love to see a flag. I want to see a flag. It could be a baby flag, right? It could be a baby flag for all I care. I'll even look at the 1 minute for a flag right now. Like, just give us some type of flag. So I don't just go short because I see the market coming down and then I get my face ripped off.
Well, no ripping off of faces. That's
Yeah, we don't want the face getting ripped off today. So come on, Bulls. Build us a little flaggy flag. I put my line there so that way it could like hold the market up to make it go up slightly. And it looks like it's working too, so we'll take it. Come on, Betsy. Let's see what we get here. We got 36 seconds. 36 seconds left on this 2-minute candle here. Looking for the next candle to be red to take us lower. And if it's red and we push through my bottom yellow line, I'm going to take it short. Well, they did not wait for the next candle. I need this candle to be green. Nope, didn't get it, but what was that? That was a lot of slippage. I'm going to close this one. That's pretty crazy. Yeah. I did not get filled where I wanted. It lagged so hard right there. That lagged so hard. Jesus. Don't like that. And that's annoying too. Because that bad boy lagged like craziness. So hopefully Treve's not having issues again today because
He was doing some strange stuff, but like on the prop side, on the broker side, it's acting just fine.
okay.
I'm telling you, there's some deeper seated issues with Tradeify right now. Like, yeah, there's gonna be some news coming out that's not gonna be like favorable because there's some wackadoodle stuff happening over there.
Well, the stuff with Tradeavate's not Tradeify.
Yeah, but they were having issues when I was on their Discord.
Okay.
Linking with them too, so. Oh my goodness, here we go. Is this gonna be it?
Well, from your lips to God's ears. I'm holding right now because the way it lagged, I want to see like a lot of momentum here. What's up, AJ? Oh, this is the Nasdaq, sir. This is the Nasdaq. So low this 15-minute range, 652. 652 is the low the 15-minute range here. We're consolidating right here on the Renko bars. Here comes the low. All right, it looks like it wants to break out. Let's see if we break out here. Yeah, these Renkos are looking crazy right now. Just consolidation. All right, so we just broke out there. Let's see if we pull back. There's a retest of the 15. Nigeria. Well, welcome, sir. Tonight we got the Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, where we're going to be talking about trading, talking about life, and everything in between. Make sure you guys tune in and vibe up with us, because best believe I'm going to talk about how this market was choppy today.
I know you're gonna say
There's a bear flag on the 2-minute printing. But we need more momentum.
Hey, do any of you guys follow 50 Cent on social media?
No.
Yo, you gotta follow it. Yo, he's hilarious, bro. The things he puts up. Oh my god.
What is he saying? You gotta tell the
For
truth.
real, right?
No, I mean I can't. It's a picture he posted up. It's not what he's saying. Like the posts that he put up, he's just a troll. He's a troll. The things he says about Diddy, about Jay-Z, about he's crazy. He's very comical. That thing's still dropping. Sheesh, man.
Quick 425 on this account. Just going to rotate. Quick base hits today because don't like market conditions. So first target to the low side. First target to the low side, 510. 510 would be my first target to the low side from below this 15-minute range here. Are we going to stair step down? All right, let's see if we get another flag here. Your boy would really like a flag.
Look, let's do the waterfall. We'll all make money. Then you could draw a flag with crayons later.
Not with crayons. That's crazy. Didn't even say like colored pencils. He said crayons.
This is just melting.
$310 on that one. Just quick hits today. I'm not sitting around waiting for anything to pull back on me. Let's rotate to the next one. And that's another thing why I really like rotating accounts, because you're able to rotate fast enough where you can still catch some of the same move that you already saw as well. So you're able to do base hits and multiple accounts on the same move with the momentum. I want to see another little bear flag print again, take us lower.
Well, on the ES chart, there's a pivot point right here.
Okay. Izzy, 100%, bro. Stick and move, stick and move. I want the bulls to push up just slightly. because it makes it easier to take the short. When the bulls push it up slightly, then it's a little bit easier because you can see when it's heavy on the Renko bars.
New 15 coming in 3 seconds.
Copy. Thank you.
Maybe this is your push up right here. Let me see.
Nah, she's still looking heavy. That 510's gonna get hit. What's up, Life? Welcome, bro. Are we getting ready to build a bear flag on the 5 minute? I'm okay with a flag on the 5.
Duane likes the higher time frame flags. We know that.
BP, what's up, bro? Like Izzy said, stick and move today, bro. Stick and move. Let's see if this is going to give us a flag. Give us a flaggy flag on the 5. But right now, the way the bulls are pushing, I don't like that. That's more than 50%. I'll put that line right there. I want to stay below that line right there. I'll draw the whole thing just because he helps me not look at the market right away.
When you draw like the 3-part flag, you're not kidding. You know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm trying to do. Anything possible.
It looks like you're playing Minecraft right now.
I know you lurking, Brett. You always lurking, fam. Or are you saying BP was lurking? He probably made like 25 grand, and that's when he comes. What's up, guys?
Yeah.
Rolled out of bed today. Just printed 25K. How's everyone else trading? We're back into the 15-minute range. Oh, you're lurking? Okay. Yeah, you lurking too. You making that money. Brett's over there making that money. He real quiet today. When he real quiet, that means that man is dialed in. He is dialed. He's over there just like a trained sniper in prone position, waiting for his target to walk into his sights. What we doing, market? Oh, yeah, that's what I want to see on the 2. Go ahead. Need more momentum, though. I want more momentum on that 2 minute there. BP, no need to wish, bro. Just execute, man. Do what you do, sir. Do what you do. Let me drop down to the 1 minute. See what we got going on over here. Izzy, good job, bro. Base hits, that's all you need, bro. And just do that every single day. Do that every single day and you will be able to get payouts. Base hits. I preach about them because that's what has helped me get consistent payouts. Just hitting base hits. Bro, I feel you on that one. On the first trade I took, one of my select fundeds, the slippage, I didn't get filled where I entered. Then I got tagged in where I did not want to get tagged in. That one was like $1,200 loss. So not trading that one again today. I'll come back tomorrow. We live to fight another day in that account. Come on, Betsy. Bro, it honestly is. Survival is the game because the market's going to do what the market wants to do. And it's up to us with our discipline and our mastering our psychology, right? To know when to trade, when not to trade, when to walk away, when to stay, the whole shebang.
You gotta know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, and know when to run.
I like that. You gotta know when to run, boys. Gotta know when to run.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Mr. Silk.
Do it up, baby.
I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. Coming down to my yellow line on the 2-minute. Trying to tap my yellow line there. Let's see if the Bears will have enough momentum down here. We have not tapped my first target from below the 15-minute range here, down around the 510 area. We do have that buying wick on that candle, so be careful. Be careful. Don't short into buying wicks. Trust me. I've done it plenty of times for all of us to learn not to do it. New candle just printed on the 2-minute. Breaking through my yellow line. I need more follow through though. We tapped it. We did not push through it completely. So with that being said, I'm actually going to move this line down just a little bit further, so that way it makes me have to wait a little bit longer if I'm looking for that short. All right, coming on down, coming on down. Still waiting here, still waiting patiently. We got these wicks. I don't like these bottom wicks. All right, we just cleared the previous candle wick, so that's promising. Come on, Betsy. Getting ready to clear another candle. Almost cleared it. We did not clear another wick that I was watching. Coming down to my yellow line now. Let's see if we get follow through here. We're consolidating right here. Of course, we would consolidate right at my yellow line. That makes complete sense. We're getting ready to have a new candle on the 5 minute. There's the new candle on the 5. Back into the 15-minute range. Now we're below the 15-minute range. Choppity chop chop. That was a nice little rejection right there. Tapping my yellow line on the 2 minute as well. Waiting for follow through. Still no real follow through. We need the flushy flush. Come on, give me the flushy flush. Not liking the dance move right now. I closed it. Another base hit. I wanted a little bit more, but I don't like how the Rincos are dancing right now. Wait, remember people, accumulation, manipulation, then distribution, then full port. No full porting, folks. Do not listen to Wave. Do not listen to Wave. We are not full porting today. Absolutely not. Not on my watch, at least. So we did tap the yellow line on the 5 minute. We just never pushed through. We have a minute left on this candle. Hopefully we do get the push through because that'll be a nice little bear flag on the 5 minute. And those 5 minute flags, they like to pay. Come on, Betsy. I'm ready for the gym today. I'm doing legs today. It's excited to push some weight today. I'm debating if I do leg press because honestly, I haven't really done leg press in quite a while because of my knee. So I was like, maybe I just throw some like lightweight on and just rep it. See how the knee feels. And like I said, I don't like how these wrinkles are dancing. We don't like dance moves in the markets. How's everyone feeling? Let's check the temperature of the room. Who's winning? Who's losing? Who's flat? So if you won, throw a W in the chat if you're up. Throw a L if you're down, and throw a 0 if you're flat.
W.
Ooh, Mr. Cash Money with the W today. Awesome. Love to see it.
I mean, like, I'm not trading too hard because I'm not happy with it, but I did get in, get green, and stop. So.
Hey, that's solid. We got some L's. I know Izzy, he was a W for the day. Didn't BP, I don't blame you, bro. I do not blame you on not touching it. Well, for everyone that's currently down in the markets, ask yourself, why are you currently down? Were you slightly over trading? Did your move just not play the way you expected it to? Because like I myself in one of my accounts, I'm down $1,200 because when I took the trade, I didn't get filled and I wasn't fast enough to close out like the trade before I got tapped where I did not want it to get tapped anymore. But it's nature of the business, sadly. Nature of the business. Okay. Listen, reset, refocus. If you got to come back tomorrow. Yeah, bro, when you're in profit, you just got to lock it in. That's what I do. I honestly don't care if it keeps running after I close because I rather lock in the profit and have something than not have anything. We're breaking below my 5-minute line here. I low-key want to take a short, but I want a little bit more follow-through. Come on, Betsy. I'm just waiting to see how we react right here because I want to take the short, but I need more momentum for me to take the short. We're like teetering. We're teetering right now. Yep. Like I said, we are teetering. Chris, if you saw the move happen, right? If you saw your move playing out and you didn't take it and it would have paid you 1K, let that give you more confidence for the next time you see your move. So even if you miss your move, you see it, you don't take it, don't let that hold you down. Let that give you confirmation like, okay, I know what I'm looking for. So that will give you extra confidence to take the trade so you're not scared. We minting this morning? Something like that, bro. Something like that. Trying to. So I dropped so far, I've dropped over $600 for Super Bowl because we're using the Super Bowl. I'm having my family come over, my parents, my siblings, all of them, because it's also my son's birthdays, like within the next couple days as well. So we're just doing one big party where we're getting everything done all one shot. Super Bowl, 2 birthday parties. So I did catering because I hate cooking. Yeah, I didn't feel like grilling, to be honest. I was being lazy. And there's nothing better than catering where you just pick it up and serve the food.
What'd you get for catering? Where'd you go with?
I went with Lloyd Have Mercy. It's a southern barbecue spot that old family friends. So we got meatloaf, we got oxtails, we got fried chicken, we got wings, we got mac and cheese, peach cobbler, too much stuff, rice. I mean, we got everything.
Dang, that sounds good.
And the best part is, once everything's done, I get to trash everything. You know what I'm saying? Like, cleanup's real easy. Don't gotta clean the grill afterwards. Nothing. And my mom, she was cooking some stuff as well, but she was cooking some like meatballs because I love her meatballs. Just some tasty things.
Well, I now have an idea of what the Legacy Wealth Society big meetups are going to be like.
Oh, listen, our first big meetup will be in November in Mexico, and bro, nothing's gonna top that one. Like it's like I may be setting the bar too high with doing the Mexico one because what can you do after an all-inclusive resort? Like you know what I'm saying? Like
For another country.
But my whole thing is I really want to help you guys that are part of Legacy get substantial payouts so that way all of us can go. You know what I'm saying? Like that's why I'm so eager to help everyone. I want to take all y'all and be with y'all in Mexico, but I ain't trying to pay for all y'all. I'm sorry.
Eating, we all eating.
Yeah, I get that, but I want to make sure y'all eat it for your own pocket.
Right. That's what I'm saying. Like you got this whole thing going. You helping us? Heck yeah.
Because we got Legacy members in the chat and on the Zoom calls with the market makers here. So when I go in Mexico, I'm gonna find out what our rate will be, our group rate for November. How many of y'all do you think would actually go in November? Currently, if you're interested and you want to go, just say me in the chat or Legacy on the call. Let me know as well.
I would totally be down for that.
Me.
Me.
Okay. No, because I just want to make sure because I'm gonna tell them what do you guys think? 100 people, 200? What are you guys thinking?
People.
How many?
10,000.
7,000.
I don't think they got enough rooms for 7,000.
Better start building. Construction time.
They just dropped $700 million to build a whole new section, which came out amazing. I've already stayed at the new section.
That's it.
So, okay, so I'll probably just tell them because right now the community as a whole we're pushing about 200 members. I'll just say what 50% of that, like say 100 people.
Yeah, 25 to 50%. Yeah.
Or should I do like 25%? Because I know everybody wants to go, but why I'm trying to get a group rate for all of us, it will make it cheaper and we'll have our own concierge for the group for Legacy, where you'll be able to literally call and say, hey, I'm coming, everything like that. And you can put down like a couple $100 and pay all the way up until November. So it's not, you're not dropping in November a couple grand all at once. You can stretch it out all the way till November.
I'd say having ballpark you a couple different options. What would be like that 25%, 50% of the group? Or,
Okay.
You know, just so you can have a ballpark range. Like this is what it would look like if this many people came here. Versus
Copy. Yeah, those bulls stepped in right there. It's the X-Corret futures. The X-Corret. That is my go-to resort in Mexico. If I ever say I'm going to Mexico, just know I'm at the X-Corret. Literally, that's the only place I go in Mexico.
He renamed his house that too. I mean, it's gotten bad.
Not renaming the house. And actually, I gotta change the colors. You know what I'm saying? I gotta switch these over. Make it more of the X correct colors.
I
You know
thought
what I'm
it was
saying?
like Prince's house when you were going through the purple.
I'm honestly not going to trade my last funded here with Tradeify. I'm probably just going to switch over to some evals with them because I have not been liking this movement. And I'm not, at this point, I'm not willing to risk it. I'm not risking it for the biscuit. So I'll just play with these evals because I got to trade them for at least like one more day before they'd be ready to be activated if I need a new funded account. But no, I'm excited because you guys are going to have a blast. And for me personally, it will literally, because we're going in November right around my birthday as well, it's going to be just a massive month for us. But I know once you guys go and experience it for the first time, you'll be set for 27. You'll be like, no, how can I do this multiple times a year? And that'll be a new motivation for you. You know what I'm saying? To be like, okay, let me stay disciplined. Let me lock in on the strategy. Let me lock in on the psychology of trading so I can always have the results. So you have the real freedom that you guys all desire. So I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Come on, Betsy. What we doing? What we doing, Bets? Looks like the Bulls are still trying to push. We printed that bull flag there on the 2-minute. Let's see if we build another little flaggy flag, which I'm all for. We have that pivot point up there as well. Let's see if I could jump in here. How much longer we got on this? A minute left on this candle. What we doing? We going up, we going down. What we getting ready to do here, folks? We had the Bulls push up aggressively, but we stalled right there. Now the Bears are trying to step in. I didn't get my full fill. Now I did great. That's crazy.
Bro, I was gonna get on 230. I got 73. Oh, don't tell me it's gonna come up. It's full.
That was an aggressive save from the Bulls. Let's see if they can do it again. If not, I'm going to close this. Because, again, that's 2 fills today I did not get where I wanted. Yeah, I closed that. This is an eval, folks. This is an eval. We're below that 21 EMA now as well. Let's see if we retest it real quick, but I'll YOLO. I YOLO'd. It's an eval. Thought I was going to get more, but didn't get it. That's okay. Come on, Betsy.
Hey, do you know if Ninja Trader has an app for
I've never done their like mobile stuff.
It does have a mobile app, but it only allows you to trade the money that your own funded account, not and a SIM, but that's about it.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you.
Look at that flush.
G just made another 3,000.
Screw it, FOMO. I have. Appreciate it, BP. I may jump back in here, but we're coming down to my yellow line where we've been bouncing off of. So I didn't want to sit in it and then it bounced back up. So just lock that profit in.
If it makes a triple bottom, I hope we push on down. So that'll be great.
And yep, there's the bull trying to step in slightly. That's why I wasn't trying to sit in that short, because we've been like running this yellow line on the 5 minute. We'll come down, tap it, bounce it back up, come back down, tap it. Like I ain't trying to play with it. I ain't trying to play with it.
Which one is your 2 minute screen, Dwayne? The one at the bottom, right there? Yep.
This one. Yep.
Where's your current flagpole or post? The body of the flag. That one right there, right?
No, so I don't have a flag drawn up on the 2 minute currently.
Oh, okay.
But if I was looking for a flag,
gotcha. So it's the same thing I have there. All right.
that would be the direction of the flag right there.
Gotcha. Okay.
If I'm looking for a bear flag.
It's a chair for the stick man.
A chair for the stick man.
I gotta get out of here soon. Gotta go back to real life.
Well, this is real life. This is real life.
Not until we become millionaires.
All right, so there's that flag. I want to see us push through that bottom line for me to take a short. We got to push through with momentum. No momentum, no trade. That's the rule. Momentum and follow through. We're consolidating right here on the Renko bars. Man, this trading really helps people with patience, because you got to sit there and wait until you see your move. Bull stepping in. That's why we wouldn't have gone short yet. We got to go through with the momentum. Well, hopefully not, Hamid. Hopefully we're not going to dance around it forever. Hopefully we get away from it here eventually. In either direction. I don't care what direction. But this is where like a lot of traders get chopped up, right? When we don't have a lot of movement currently going on, traders are just seeing the small little ticks up and downs, and they try executing, and then they wonder why they get chopped. We need good movement. Coming down to my yellow line, let's see what we get. Almost tapped the yellow line. We have not tapped it yet. More consolidating right there. Didn't touch it yet, so We're still waiting. We're waiting. Just dancing, just dancing. And we're waiting. All we can do. The move comes from consolidation. We're coming up on 11 as well. Come up less than 4 minutes for 11 here. But I recommend you guys drawing on your charts. Put some doodles. Put a line in the sand. And you tell yourself, if we don't go here, I'm not taking a trade. And that will save you so much money. So much money.
Guys, I'm out of here. Hope you make a million.
All right, Moose. Have a good day, bro.
Bye, Moose.
All right, bye, guys.
Slowly. We're all right. There's the yellow line tab. Ah, the wrong account. Hold on. Let me see which account I'm supposed to be on. Our music ended too, Jesus. Let me get us some more vibes. And it's mad too because I rotate to the wrong account and I missed that move. Less than 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes for 11 here. Less than a minute now, less than a minute for 11. Let's see what we get. I'll probably stay on until about like 11:15. Then I'll probably jump off here today. Go relax before hitting the gym. Mentally prepare for leg day. That's what I got to do. We're coming up to the 21 EMA. There's the 21 EMA. There's 11. We're still in the zone on the 5-minute chart. And I was like ready to take a little trade, but I'm like, you know what? I'm not even gonna test it. We're still in this range right now. And we just gotta wait to clear out of it. So probably if you're looking for really good movement, wait till I end the stream, and then it should move really, really well for y'all. Because right now we're just chopping in this range. So like I said, chopping. The choppy chop chop. Come on, Betsy. Hopefully tomorrow we do have news come out tomorrow. Let me see what news we got coming out for tomorrow. All right, so tomorrow. Well, no. Actually, no news tomorrow. I thought we had news tomorrow. Uh I was pretty sure we had news tomorrow. We no longer have news tomorrow. It was supposed to be non-farm. Maybe I read the wrong date. I thought we had news all week this week. That's weird. I know that would be a huge bear flag on the 5-minute. I mean, that's why I was looking at taking a quick little scalp long, but I decided not to because I'm like, we're building this big old flag. No, you good, bro. You good. Once we get below the yellow line, I'll be more prone to take a short, personally. But we need momentum. Right now, we're just slow. Slow and going sideways. Can't trade sideways action. But we've been consolidating now for like the past hour. No, 100%, bro. We need the full flush at this point. As soon as I get off, I already know this thing's going to dump. And you guys are going to make $10,000 without me. I'm going to be slightly disappointed that I didn't make it with y'all.
We'll make sure to share with you.
I appreciate that, bro. Honestly, I may jump off here actually because your boy's like ready to FOMO into a trade. So I need to. I feel like I need to get off my computer because watching this right now has just makes me want to click the button, even though we're not going anywhere right now. I mean, it depends on the day. It changes each day with the volume based on news, what's going on in the world, everything like that. We're below my yellow line. Oh, we need more momentum. Well, sometimes wait because sometimes after 11:30 the market will dump or pump. You know. And that's why I should have walked away. That's why I should have walked away. Should have done that, but oh well. And then it's gonna do the dump. Well, boys, I'm gonna walk away here. I will see you guys tonight for the traders hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern. So y'all stay safe in the markets if you're still trading this. If not, I will catch y'all later tonight. And have a great rest of your day, everyone.
Bye,
Later
man.
on, Dr. Marlene.
All right, guys.
Take care. Have a good
All right,
night.
man.
Yes, sir.
Super Dwayne.
Have a good one, everyone on YouTube. Have a good day, guys.